Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm just very much happy, and our favorite coin Kadena is started to fly, and the market is recovering, guys. Okay, so today we're gonna see about how you can make $1 million with our favorite coin Kadena, guys. Okay, so before that, the Bitcoin is trading 23,600 around right now. The loss continuously, you can check it, last 4 days the Bitcoin is in the under green section. Okay, so not red. Last 3 days it's fully under green section, so probably there will be a down section. So what I did was strategy, everything I'm sharing this video, guys. So let's get into the video. So you all know that our favorite coin is none other than Kadena, and right now the Kadena is trading 1.80 $1.8, guys, aroundly. Okay, so morning it went up to $1.875. So what strategy I'm following here, it was just I used to buy in the red. Okay, what I do, I am sharing. Okay, just I used to buy in the red. Okay, when the market is in the red, I used to buy, and next when the market is under green, I used to sell. This is what the strategy, so I can increase my portfolio coins. Okay, example, when I was in the market, when I was in the red section, I was bought 200 Kadena. Okay, 200 Kadena, approximately $1.5. Okay, so it will be around $300. Okay, so today continuously 3 days, 3 days the market is red, right? So yesterday and today it came $1.875. So today I sold my Kadena coins for 1.85. Okay, 1.850. Okay, this is what the strategy I used to follow. Okay, 1.85 I sold, and right now market came a little bit down, 1.80 right now. Okay, again once the market is bleeding, okay, once the market is bleeding, that section I used to buy again. Okay, so I can increase my quantity. This is what the strategy I follow. So instead of 200, I can buy 210 coins. Okay, so my strategy was increasing the quantity of Kadena. Okay, so instead of 200 in the place, I can buy 210 Kadena. Okay, this is what the strategy. I can accumulate more Kadena with the same amount of value. Okay, so the strategy we used to follow, just see here, market is again, it's down. Okay, so strategy is very simple, guys. Okay, just buy from the red and just sell in the green. Okay, if it is continuously 3 or 4 days green, that is awesome, guys. Okay, you can make more than, you can increase the quantity more than 10 to 20 to 30 to 30 coins, you can increase it. Okay, this is what the strategy we used to follow. So that good idea, when we compare to some other holding for long coins, we can increase the quantity. This is a good idea. Okay, so right now again $1.80 Kadena. So again, if the market is taking a bit red, I used to buy again, guys. Okay, this is what I used to follow. Okay, this is what I used to follow. So the same strategy you guys need to follow, so you can make good money, and you can make increase your quantity. Okay, so the strategy is very simple, guys, and the market is green right now, so the right time to book profit. Okay, you have to increase USDT, and then market is green, that then the market is red, you have to just buy again. This is what the strategy. It's very simple, guys. You guys can make 1.3 million or 1 million easily with this Kadena, guys. I'm sharing this. Just note the point right now today, and you guys can make 1 million surely with this Kadena coin. How you can make this 1 million means, it's very simple strategy. Just you have to buy 1,000 Kadena. Okay, 1,000 Kadena is approximately right now $1,800. Okay, right now prices. Okay, if you bought before, it will be around 1,300. Okay, when we said about, it was around $1.3. Okay, I'll show you the dip. Okay, $1.3. See here, $1.33. That time $1,350 around it will come, 1,350. Okay, if you bought right now, it is in the 1,000 coin. Worth is right now $1,800. Okay, so if you bought that, and again if you bought that again, you can do something. Okay, if you bought that, you should hold it. Okay, then when you buy, just in the red market. Okay, when you need to buy just the red market, and again you need to sell in the green market. Okay, again after selling, again the market is red, you can buy again and increase the quantity of Kadena. Okay, this is what you have to do. So if you are doing increasing at least 1 or 2 coins daily, that will be best strategy, and you can make millions, guys. Okay, when you can make millions, it's strategy of very simple, guys. I'm sharing, just if the Kadena is reaching $10, you can make millions, guys. Just the strategy is simple, guys. You can make just millions of dollars. How you can make this? Just you need to buy it right now immediately, 1,000 coins, and need to hold and increase the quantity with just market is up, you need to buy. This is what the strategy you have to follow. Then if the Kadena is giving 5x, okay, right now it is approximately $2, guys. If the Kadena is giving 5x, it will be around $10, okay. That time you can make $1.3 million. Okay, this is the best strategy you should follow, guys. You can make million with this Kadena. This is the best ever strategy. You can make millions of dollars with this Kadena. So guys, don't forget, just do the strategy and make millions with this crypto coin and join the millionaire club, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in another great video. Thank you.